Hey guys, it's me Kelci. Welcome back to my channel. And today in this video, as you can tell by the title, I'm gonna be showing you guys how I shape my eyebrows. So it's day 1720 something in quarantine, and well, nail shops are starting to open back up, but I do not feel comfortable in going to go get my eyebrows waxed. So for about a good few months now, I've just been doing my own eyebrows. As you can see, I really need my eyebrows done. I can't see since I'm filming with the back of my camera. I can't really see since I'm filming with the back of my iPhone. But yeah, I'm about to show y'all what I do. If you're new, hi, my name is Kelci. You should go ahead and click that subscribe button if you haven't already. Give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below. And yeah, without further ado, I'm gonna go ahead and get started with this video. The things you're gonna need is a eyebrow razor. It doesn't matter which one. I got these from Dollar General in a 3-pack. Now, a face cotton pad and a cotton ball and some witch hazel. It doesn't matter which witch hazel you use, just have some witch hazel on hand. But this is a T.N. Dickinson's witch hazel. And then you also need some tweezers and some scissors. I might zoom in, but the first thing I do, I just brush my eyebrows. Make sure it's not going. So I just brush my eyebrows, get it all together. And then I take my cotton ball and put some witch hazel on it. So get it a little damp, and then I go through and just wipe my eyebrow, because you need this because you want to be using a razor, okay? So you don't kind of like nick yourself when you're going through shaving the hairs off. So then I take my eyebrow razor, pull the skin up a little bit so it'll be easier to shave, and then I go through and just shave the hairs off. You can kind of like shape it the way you want to, but since it's starting to grow back, I'm just going to go ahead and just take off what was growing back. But you just want to shave. Make sure you have your skin pulled up a little bit, and then you shave. Because you don't want to just do this and just shave it like that. You're going to end up cutting yourself. So pull the skin up and then just start shaving down. And then the next thing I do, then I take the little face pad, just put a little bit of witch hazel on it so you can clean the razor off. So after I go through and kind of like do my top portion of my eyebrow, that's when I take my face pad and just clean the eyebrow off. Well, clean the razor off. So yeah. So that's what I do. I just clean it off like that. Then I'll take my cotton ball, wipe through my eyebrow again, and then I'll go through and do the bottom portion of my eyebrow. Once again, you want to pull your skin and then shave. Okay, so after I go through with the razor, that's when I'll take my scissors and actually shape it down a little bit. So let me put the hairs up a little bit, and so I can show you guys what I'm talking about. You see that I need to just cut a little bit of the hair off so it won't look so bushy. So I'm gonna show y'all how I do that. So I brush the hairs up. And so I'm just going to trim the hair down. So I'm going to show y'all how I'm going to do that. I just take the scissors and just cut through. So you see, like, I don't know how to give my eyebrows an actual shape. I just know how to clean them up a little bit. So that's basically what I do when I'm doing my eyebrows. So all I do is just clean them up, and as you can see, I trim that top portion a little bit. And so after I trimmed as much as I wanted to, that's when I go in with my tweezers and pull out any extra hairs that I've missed, or especially, like, I usually just tweeze the bottom portion of my eyebrows, like right here. So I'm just gonna go in with my tweezers and just pluck out any extra hairs that I miss. So I think I'm done with this side of my eyebrow. So basically everything I did to this side, I'm just going to do to this side. So I'm going to put it in time lapse for you guys to see how I'm about to do the other side. Okay, now this right here is the hardest part when I'm trying to trim the left side of my eyebrow, because you're supposed to go this way on my left side, but somehow, for some reason, I always do this way, but you're supposed to go the other way. But I'm gonna try my best to do this side. Like, this one always gets me. What is my mom doing? Alright, y'all, so that is how I do my eyebrows. If you hear the noise, that's my mom hammering something. Okay, anyways, as I was saying, that is how I do my eyebrows. As you can see, I don't really kind of give them a shape. I just clean them up a little bit so, like, they won't look so bushy, because I have really bushy eyebrows if I don't, like, you know, I will have really bushy eyebrows if I don't do anything to them. So yeah, this is what I do. It's gonna be a long time before I go get them waxed again. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already, and follow me on my social medias. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you learned how to do your eyebrows, and hopefully you guys will try it out for yourself. So without further ado, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video.
I ain't your man, that's true enough. I feel that boy, girl, true enough. I ain't hearing that.